Grab a couple of wire baskets and paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree. Trace the outline of the shape of the wire basket's bottom on the cardboard and then cut it out. Use the cut piece of cardboard as a pattern to cut an additional piece. Cut, attach, and wrap faux wood paper around the cardboard to create the appearance of a wood shelf. Even out the material over the edges of the cardboard, make a mark on the back of the cardboard and cut a slit for an insert. Spray paint both of the baskets the same color. Use a paper towel holder as the base. Place a wire basket on top and then insert the slitted cardboard piece above it. Flip another paper towel holder upside down and secure it to the first paper towel holder using zip ties. Position a wire basket on top and fasten it with zip ties. Place this tiered basket in a bathroom or a kitchen for additional organization. I hope this inspires you to create your own Dollar Tree baskets turned into stacked storage.
You'll need 4 of these chrome napkin holders, a paper towel holder, a set of these plastic chopping boards, and you can also pick up some zip ties at Dollar Tree as well. First thing is to trace the napkin holder onto the chopping board. I'm going to do this 4 times and then cut out the half circles. Now I'm using a really strong glue. E6000 is great for this task. I'm attaching those pieces of the plastic chopping board to the side of the napkin holder. I'm going to let this dry completely before moving on to the next step. I'm creating a 2-tiered makeup holder here. So I'm going to take 2 of these napkin holders and glue them to the bottom of the paper towel holder. Once that's dry, I'm going to tilt it on its side and attach 2 more toward the top of the paper towel holder. It's really helpful to place a book or something to keep this steady so it doesn't roll around. Once the glue is all dry, for a little added security, I'm going to use some zip ties just on the top 2 napkin holders to make sure when I fill this, it doesn't go anywhere. Now that everything is secure, it's time to add my makeup. I'm putting in some of my most used products, nail polish and hand lotions, and this is going to go right in my bathroom, so it's really easy to access. I hope this inspired you to pick up some inexpensive items from Dollar Tree and make your own makeup organizer.
Make a trip to Dollar Tree and grab 2 of these paper towel holders, 2 small baskets, and a pack of these mini cable ties. Start by attaching your first basket in between the 2 paper towel holders. You'll use the mini cable ties to connect each side of the basket to the holders in 2 different spots per side. We're going to angle the basket slightly downward and elevate the back edge by tightening the ties so that it's tipped forward a bit. Now repeat the same process with your second basket. And just like that, you've got a functional, stylish, and budget-friendly tiered organizer with such little effort. Add it to your kitchen counter or on a shelf in your pantry to organize grab-and-go snacks or fresh produce so it's easy for the whole family to grab. You could use this organizer to corral hair accessories like headbands and hair bows on top of a dresser, or put it on the bathroom counter to store rolled up hand towels and washcloths. You could also use it to keep all of your makeup and skincare products within easy reach on the counter. Fill it up with your kids' art supplies on top of their desk, or put it on your own desk and load it up with your favorite office supplies like pens, highlighters, and sticky notes. You could also add this to an entryway table and use it as a catch-all for emptying out your pockets and putting your keys, sunglasses, cash, and more all in one place so they don't go missing.
Grab wire baskets and metal candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Start by using a garden plant tray with wheels as the base. Trace the shape of inside the plant tray with faux marble shelf liner. Cut the shelf liner to cover the inside of the plant tray to make an even surface and add some extra decor. Add hot glue to the plant tray and adhere the liner. Place some strong hold glue around the edge of one of the metal candle holders and secure it to the center of the tray. Place a wire basket on top of the candle holder and secure it by adding some zip ties to connect the wire basket to the candle holder. Add glue to the other candle holder and place on top. Place your last basket and secure with ties. And that's all it is to it. Use this as a sliding or spinning produce basket or other storage basket in your kitchen.
Head to the Dollar Tree to grab a paper towel holder, 2 cooling racks, and a pack of mini clothespins. To attach the cooling racks, I'm using some leftover crafting wire because that's what I had on hand today, but zip ties would also work really well for this part. I grabbed a pliers to help me cut and twist all of the little wires to hold my cooling racks in place. Make sure the two racks are nice and lined up straight. Make sure everything is nice and tight and sturdy, and you're all set. Now let's grab some spray paint and give this whole thing a coat of paint to give it a cohesive look. Wait for your paint to dry, and then your display stand is ready to put to use. This display stand is really versatile and can be used in so many ways around your house. Just use the mini little clothespins that we found in the craft section at Dollar Tree to attach anything you want. One idea is as a photo display. Another idea is to use it as a treat stand. This is a really fun way to display treats either for a party or maybe to organize your snack station in your pantry, and you have a functional, cute, and really versatile idea.
Do you need some help getting organized in the new year? I've got you covered, and all you're going to need is a trip to the dollar store. For this first project, we're going to grab one of those paper towel holders that we love so much. So we're going to begin by hot gluing these little organizers to either side of that center piece on the paper towel holder. Then I'm going to take that Velcro and take the clear plastic off, exposing the glue, and you're going to put one side on the little metal container, and then you're going to put the other side on the paper towel holder itself. You can use the little metal containers to fill up with small things like gems and beads, paper clips, anything like that. And then you're going to use the organizers for your pens, your pencils, your glue sticks, your scissors. And this looks so great sitting on a desk because it gives you so much more room to organize your art supplies or school supplies. The next idea to help you organize and to also get you cooking in the new year, because we're usually trying to start off our new year's with a nice healthy kick, is to grab another one of those paper towel holders, but also the napkin holder from the same dollar store onto the paper towel holder. And then I just used a few zip ties to secure it in the back in two places so that it doesn't wobble. And then you're going to want to make sure that that napkin holder is angled toward the back. And then you should be able to put really any of your cookbooks right into this holder and have it on the counter so that you can be cooking in the new year, making healthy recipes for your family.
Head on over to the dollar store and grab some paper towel holders for these awesome DIYs. I'm using a command hook. I grabbed a paper towel holder and I placed it onto the command hook. I grabbed my hats and through the loop in the back of the hat, slid it onto the paper towel holder. I continue doing this for multiple hats, and you can fit quite a few on here. It's a great way to organize your hats. For this project, I started with dollar store adhesive and spread it on the bottom of my pencil holders. I repeated this process, so I had a total of 3 pencil holders. While the adhesive was setting, I grabbed some fishing line and I wove it through each of the pencil holders and around the paper towel holder and tied it into place and then cut off the excess string. I grabbed some silverware, spoons, forks, and knives and placed them into each of the pencil holders. Now I have a super fun and easy tote to carry my silverware to and from the table. I started by grabbing a sign from the dollar store, and I removed anything from the front of it that I didn't want. I grabbed some adhesive from the dollar store and I spread it around the base of a paper towel holder. Next, I placed them onto the board together, and I let this set for 24 hours, allowing the adhesive to become nice and solid. I grabbed a hanger and slid it onto the paper towel tubes. Just stack them all on. When you're ready to use one again, simply pull it off, grab your shirt, hang your shirt up in your closet.